During the winter break, I visited my dad in Lithuania, and while I was there, I found our old Nitro RC car. I knew I could do something with it, if it was selling parts, taking parts, or just selling the car. I knew it was better than leaving it in a barn to gather dust. And then it struck me. I should try to convert this RC car into electric, so I first ordered some components and then waited for them to arrive. I also had to make sure that these components were compatible with the RC car, and that they had enough power to, drive the RC car. For the components, I bought a 36x70 2650 kV brushless motor, paired with a 5200 mAh 11V battery and a 120 amp Hobbywing ESC. I've heard that it's recommended to buy a better ESC, as faulty ESCs can break your motor or cause the battery to catch fire. I started off by measuring the gearbox. I had to make sure that every dimension was perfect. So I hopped into CAD and got designing. I started off by making the side of the gearbox and then making an extension that holds the motor. I added little slots so I can adjust the motor. After I got it printed, I mounted it on the RC car. After I assembled the gearbox, the gears fit almost perfectly. I added oval slots so I can move the motor back and forth and adjust its position. Now, because the assembly took so long, I decided that I was going to go outside and take it for a test drive. And then this happened. Now, in the next video, we're going to be test driving the RC car, as well as maybe upgrading some components and the mounts, and hopefully making the car basically indestructible to crashes.